it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. It's just a cut crease with red in the crease and like a baby pink color on the lids and a pink lip. So yeah, let's get started. So I already have all of my face makeup done using the TooFaced Natural Love palette, and I'm gonna start out just as a base with the shade Heaven. For this look, I'm going to start out with the crease, so we can have more of a reddish look in the crease, and then like a baby pink look on the lids, and like a cut crease. I'm going to go into the shade Honey Butter and apply that to my crease. Now for this look, I'm also going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette, just because it has all of the red tones in it that I want for my crease. I'm going to use this shade right here, that is the shade Penny, and apply that to my crease. Now I'm applying the shade Burgundy again into my crease. Now I'm just going to keep deepening that up till I get the red look that I want. Now I'm using some concealer to create the cut crease. You just want to go up to a line in your crease and then apply the concealer from that point down. I'm going to go back into the shade Heaven just to set the concealer. Using the shade Lace Teddy, I'm going to apply that on my lids. And now I'm going into the shade Bunny Nose and applying that. I'm using the shade Cutie Patootie on my lids. And then I'm going back into the burgundy color. I'm applying that to make the cut crease red a little bit sharper and pop more. I'm applying the shade Hoola to my inner corners and brow bone. I'm using the shade Makeup and Chill for my lower lash line. I'm using the Tarte Clay Pot eyeliner. I'm using a pointed eyeliner brush, and I'm going to create my wing. And now I'm lining my water. Now I'm going to use this eyeliner from NYX in the shade Copper and apply that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to finish the rest of my face makeup, and I'll see you guys after that. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics LipKit in the shade Smile. You can even go for a red lipstick or a gloss or anything with this look. It would also look good. This is the finished look for the Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. There's 2 Valentine's Day videos that I'm making for this year. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this look. This is it. I like the red and the pink, and it's obviously perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell to turn on my post notifications so you are notified when I upload every single new video. I'll have my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook down in the description, along with all the products that I used in this video. And you can also go and check out my last video that I'll also have linked down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!